What's up guys, it's the manufacturing millennial. So, vision inspection. We've talked about it a couple times now. We've looked at unique lenses and lighting, but here's one. Have you ever seen a light come out of the end of a cable? What would this be used for? Well, let's check it out. So what we're looking at is Advanced Illumination's SL162 high intensity spotlight and their SL223 microbright coaxial light. These lights have tiny form factors, with the SL223 being just under 40 millimeters in length and 8 millimeters in diameter. They are powered just by 24 volts and can be used in more than just one application. Now, the first application is coaxial lighting. You might have also heard the terminology on-axis light, but it's the same principle. I have a light source that's being emitted 90 degrees from my camera imager or my inspection plane. The light is emitted out of the source, going through a beam splitter that's 45 degrees offset from that. The light reflects through that beam splitter down into my inspection area and then back up into my camera imager. Does that make sense? Well, let's break it down more into a toy level. So I have my camera here, my light source here, this is my beam splitter, and my inspection area here. Light comes out of the emitter, bounces off my beam splitter 45 degrees down into my inspection area. The light then reflects off my part or surface back through the beam splitter and then into my camera imager for inspection. Surfaces that are directly parallel with my camera imager will reflect back as a bright spot. Now, surfaces that are not parallel will bounce off and create dark spots in the image that create contrast to do your inspection. Now, the second application is small form factor spotlights. The 223 has no heatsink on it, so it can be mounted in very compact and tight spaces. Not only that, but the emitter on it has an extremely small spread, so I can mount this at a pretty good working distance to do an inspection where normal bar lights or larger brick lights wouldn't be able to fit because of form factor. Now, both spotlights come in a variety of different wavelengths, but I think one of the most unique ones is for the SL223, I can put this with a 365 or 395 wavelength UV light source. Then I can use this for curing applications for glue or adhesives used in packaging or in the metal industry for dispensing, that I can use as a curing light source that is extremely compact. So next time you're trying to solve a vision application, maybe coaxial lighting or a small spotlight might be your solution. But until then, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.